Now that we've explored North Dakota, South Dakota, and Nebraska, let's continue our journey through the Midwest region to Kansas. The capital of Kansas is Topeka. Charles Curtis was born in Topeka, and he is the first person of Native American heritage to serve as Vice President of the United States. He served under President Herbert Hoover from 1928 to 1932. Kansas is called the Sunflower State. In the summer, fields of bright yellow sunflowers bloom all across the state. Kansas is the setting for the famous story The Wizard of Oz. In the story, a girl named Dorothy is swept away by a tornado and wakes up in a magical land. The story starts and ends in Kansas. Kansas is home to the Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve, where American bison still roam wild. Kansas is near the geographic center of the continental United States. It's often called the Heart of America because of its central location. Kansas has the world's largest ball of twine in Cawker City. It weighs over 27,000 pounds and measures more than 46 feet around. Visitors can even add their own twine to help it grow. Kansas is known as the breadbasket of America. In 2025, Kansas farmers are expected to harvest over 300 million bushels of wheat. That's enough to make billions of loaves of bread.